Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have some groundbreaking news in the fight against Alzheimer's disease. We're going to be talking about Leqembi, a new treatment for Alzheimer's disease that was approved by the FDA in January 2023. Leqembi was approved using the accelerated approval pathway, under which the FDA may approve drugs for serious conditions where there is an unmet medical need and a drug is shown to have an effect on a surrogate endpoint that is reasonably likely to predict a clinical benefit to patients. Treatment with Leqembi should be given to patients with mild cognitive impairment or mild dementia stage of disease, the population in which treatment was initiated in clinical trials. What is Alzheimer's disease? Alzheimer's disease is a progressive brain disorder that causes memory loss and other cognitive decline. It is the most common cause of dementia, a general term for loss of memory and other thinking skills. On January 6, 2023, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, granted accelerated approval for a new treatment called Leqembi, which has been developed by drug makers Eisai and Biogen. How does Leqembi work? Leqembi is an antibody treatment that targets amyloid beta plaques, which are sticky protein clumps that build up in the brain of people with Alzheimer's disease. These plaques are thought to be a major cause of the damage that leads to Alzheimer's disease. Leqembi targets and affects the underlying disease process of Alzheimer's, instead of only treating the symptoms of the disease. The antibody treatment, which targets brain plaque associated with the disease, has shown to slow cognitive decline significantly. Leqembi is a liquid that is given through an intravenous infusion in the patient's arm. What are the results of the clinical trials? Leqembi was studied in people with mild cognitive impairment. It was shown to slow the progression of Alzheimer's disease. Leqembi slowed the decline in cognitive function by 27% in patients with early-stage Alzheimer's. This represents a major advancement in treating Alzheimer's, a devastating disease that impacts over 6.5 million Americans. Is Leqembi expensive? Now, let's talk money. Yes, Leqembi is expensive. The cost of Leqembi is $26,500 per year. Medicare has severely restricted coverage of Leqembi, so many people will not be able to afford it. What is the future of Leqembi? The FDA has granted Leqembi accelerated approval, which means that Leqembi is approved for use before the full results of the clinical trials are known. The FDA will require Biogen and Eisai to complete a confirmatory trial to confirm the clinical benefit of Leqembi. If the confirmatory trial is successful, Leqembi could become a standard treatment for Alzheimer's disease. Leqembi is a new treatment for Alzheimer's disease that has shown promise in clinical trials. This is a remarkable step in the fight against Alzheimer's disease. While it is not a cure, Leqembi offers hope and an opportunity to slow down the progression of this debilitating disease. However, it is expensive and not yet widely available. More research is needed to confirm the long-term benefits of Leqembi and to determine the best way to use it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was informative. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you'd like to be a part of the change, consider supporting organizations that are fighting Alzheimer's. Together, we can make a difference.